You know, I never knew that there is something called that. I said, why has he clicked himself in different poses? And you know, I see that there is a, and why is he carrying, you know, his own photograph? Of what use is this? बोला ये portfolio होता है, ये खिंचाना होता है. So that was the first actor that came ever to struggle with me, you know. Why has he clicked himself in different poses? So that was the first actor that came ever to struggle with me. He's still trying to do that. Everybody wants to take revenge.
You and Anurag met in DU when he came knocking your doors with a portfolio wanting to be an actor. And he was flexing his muscles and showing off his 8-pack abs. Tell us the truth.
Yeah, this is interesting actually. He's still trying to do that. You know, he's still trying to be an actor, you know, try to look good in front of directors, etc. And, but yeah, it's true. When I was in the second year, someone came to meet me in Hindu College hostel. And this guy came and he said that I've heard that you're involved in some television program that is going to be happening, and I was supposed to do production for it. Never happened. Anyway, so he came and he said, my name is Anurag Kashyap and I am in Hansraj, and I'm also in the hostel. He was wearing glasses that time because he thought glasses make him look cool. Mask would be better. But he just came and he said, ye dekho. So there were many photographs, and I was amazed to see that all of the photographs were his own. And that's what is called a portfolio. You know, I never knew that there is something called that. I said, why has he clicked himself in different poses? And you know, I see that there is a, and why is he carrying, you know, his own photograph? Of what use is this? बोला ये portfolio होता है, ये खिंचाना होता है. So that was the first actor that came ever to struggle with me, you know, कि मुझे एक role चाहिए. And I was so impressed. I thought this guy is so sorted. He's so ahead of the curve.
So impressed you never casted him in anything.
Unfortunately for me, that program didn't take off.
Anurag did cast you though in Black Friday. You were in a cameo.
Everybody wants to take revenge. Since I did not give him a role, he thought he will give me a role and torture me. And you know why? That's how my hair has grown, by the way. Because I had short hair, but the short had become a little longer. You know, it was time for me to have a haircut. So then he said, you act in Black Friday. You are exactly like the criminal you have to play. I said, sir, आप तो exactly वैसे ही हो, याकूब मेमन की तरह. I said, how? सर नहीं बस आप प्ले करो, कुछ है नहीं, आपको आकर के बोलना है, 2 लाइनें हैं, बस एक ही दिन है, मैं तो आपके लिए जान दे सकता हूँ. उसकी लाइन होती है ना हमेशा, मैं तो जान दे सकता हूँ, आप इतना नहीं कर. So I went and I was in, and then after that shooting was over.